One of the popular interview questions is implementing the Heapify algorithm. Heapifying means transforming an array into a heap in place. For example, let's say we have an array of integers with these numbers, 5, 3, 8, 4, 1, and 2. In a heap, every node should be greater than or equal to its children, right? Now look at the 5 here. This is a root node. Is 5 greater than or equal to both its children? It's not. So this node is violating the heap property. So your job is to design a function or a method, let's call it Heapify, that takes an array and transforms it into a heap in place. The algorithm is very simple. Basically, you need a for loop. You need to iterate over this array. For each item, if this item is not in the right position, you need to bubble it down. So you compare this item with both its children. If it's not greater than or equal to both its children, you pick the larger child, in this case 8, and swap them. And you recursively continue doing this until the 5 is in the right position. Then, back to your main loop, you look at the second item in this array. Once again, if it's not in the right position, you bubble it down until it's in the right position. So spend 20 minutes on this and then come back, see my solution.